Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating power faults. Unplug the monitor and reseat the power cable, then plug into a different known good outlet. Once done, inspect the power brick for warm spots or indicator lights. A dead LED often means a faulty adapter. If you have a multimeter, measure the DC output to confirm the correct voltage. You do this because most failures are power-related. Fixing the cable or adapter solves many no-display cases immediately. Next, focus on the video signal. You should switch the monitor input manually and swap to a different cable. Bad connectors mimic screen failure. Once done, connect the monitor to a second computer so you can determine whether the issue is the monitor or the original PC. Make sure the graphics card is seated and that drivers are up to date. Mismatched resolution or refresh rate can produce a black screen. You do all this to separate signal, cable, and source problems quickly. Finish by examining the display hardware and on-screen controls. You should open the OSD and perform a factory reset. This fixes misconfigured brightness or color profiles. Once done, check for backlight or inverter symptoms, dim image, color shift, or buzzing, which indicate internal component failure. If you spot blown capacitors or a dead backlight, replace the inverter or panel only if comfortable with electronics. Otherwise, seek a technician. If it still fails, try one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.